Is your Samsung TV running slow, having Bluetooth connection problems, freezing, crashing, or missing the latest features? A simple software update can fix bugs, improve performance, strengthen security, and restore features like Bluetooth connectivity. In this video, I will show you exactly how to update your Samsung TV software in just a few easy steps. First, grab your remote and open Settings. Go to the main setting menu. Before updating, make sure your TV is connected to the internet. If you're already connected to a Wi-Fi network like mine, simply go back to the main setting menu. Now scroll down and select Support. Next, click on Software Updates. Here you see the Auto Update option. You can turn this on if you want your TV to automatically install new software updates whenever they are available. To update manually, select Update Now. Your Samsung TV will first check if a new software version is available. If an update is fine, click Yes to begin downloading and installing it. You see a message on the screen informing you that your TV will automatically restart after the update is complete. Once the installation finishes, your TV will restart automatically. Don't turn off or unplug the TV during this process, as it needs to complete the update properly. And that is it. Your Samsung TV has now been successfully updated with the latest software, giving you improved performance, better stability, and access to newest features. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more Samsung tips and tutorials. Thank you.